Hello dear student, this is Dr. Sehar from DENTABEST, your best online mentor for the preparation of inbde ADAT and AFK exam. Please subscribe for my channel on YouTube and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and TikTok. Please do visit my website at dentabest.com where I'm offering different personalized and smart study programs at a very affordable cost for my dear hardworking students. So the topic of the video today is which exam to choose. Should we choose the AFK exam or the ADAT? So first of all, we should try to understand the clear differences between both the exam, because many students, they contact me every day asking about which exam is easier, which path we should choose. So first of all, we should know that AFK, it is the first step towards direct equivalency program. Assessment of fundamental knowledge. Now, once you clear the AFK, the next step would be to give ACJ, that is assessment of clinical judgment. When you clear ACJ, then the next we are going to have is NDAC. And NDAC, we know it has two components. It has the clinical component and it has the situational judgment component. Now, once you are done and successfully clear these three steps, then you are going to take OSCE and finally you are going to get a provincial licensure. So for example, you are in Ontario, you give the exam, clear them, you're getting a provincial licensure to practice in Ontario. Now, when we talk about the ADAT exam is actually started in 2021 when University of Toronto and McGill, they started accepting the ADAT score for admission in IDAPP programs, right? So IDAPP stands for International Dentist Advanced Placement Programs. So these placement programs are usually for 2 to 2.5 years. So ADAT exam, so if you get a high score, right? So ADAT is also a score-based system. So it is not a pass or fail exam. So you are scored between 200 to 800. And to get admissions in the dental school for the IDAPP program, definitely a score which is higher than 600 is recommended. So whether you take ADAT or AFK, it is entirely your choice. If you think that no, I want to go for DDS programs, I want to get admission into IDAPP to get a full DDS degree, I'm ready to give full 2.5 years committed for attending the dental school. I'm okay to take up the financial responsibilities that come up. Okay, ADAT is there to go. But let me tell you that loans in Canada for studies, they are not difficult at all and they give you very flexible options to pay it back. Now for the AFK, but if you think no, I don't have patience, I don't have time, I have family responsibilities, I cannot go to 2 or 2.5 years of dental schooling again, then AFK is the way to go. Because with the AFK is the first step though, right? Although doing the direct equivalency, the advantage is that you don't have to go to the dental schooling, you're getting a direct license, but you still have to clear up all the 4 steps that I mentioned, and AFK is just the first step for it. AFK, then ACJ, then NDAC, and then OSCE. But this is a provincial license that you're going to get. You cannot go and practice in US with this provincial license. But having a DDS degree through the ADAT pathway, you can pretty much practice all over the world. Your degree is valid. So this is the differences between the ADAT and AFK. And as I told you, what path you choose, whether you take a direct equivalency path or you want to go for IDAPP program to get a full DDS degree, it is entirely your choice. It is based on your personal circumstances, the financial responsibilities, and the choices that you want to take in your life. Thank you so much. But with the ADAT exam, you're also getting an advantage of opening up your path for USA. ADAT exam is not something that you need to get admission into 2 years of dental schooling DDS program in United States. For that, definitely you need inbde. Having a high score in ADAT, it definitely adds a feather to your cap, improves your application, your profile. And this ADAT score is also high score is needed to get admission into master's program, pre-doctoral program, advanced education program in the United States. So I hope you liked my video today. Please keep watching my video and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so that you can get better insights on inbde, ADAT and AFK preparation. Thank you so much. Study hard but study smart.